Tesla was founded in the year 2003. At the same year, the GM destroyed all their electronic vehicles has been built. In year 2008, Tesla released their first product called Roadster. And also Elon Musk sent the Roadster to space by SpaceX. It's a phenomenal product actually. But the most phenomenal product Tesla has ever built was Model 3. In year 2017, Model 3 was announced with $35,000 price, which is amazing for a high-performance electronic vehicles. Since then, Tesla becomes the most valuable car company in history. In year 2007, Apple released the iPhone. It was a combination with a touchscreen iPod, an internet communicator, and a phone. iPhone is a phenomenal success. iPhone started the journey of the mobile internet, and people love the iPhone from the worldwide. The Tesla Model 3 and the iPhone are one of the few best phenomenal products in history. In LifeSmart, we want to do the same thing. We are a company for the IoT era, want to build a product which matters everyone's everyday life to make the real value to their everyday life. We want to be the Apple or Tesla in the IoT era. That's why we start to do NatureX. Hey everyone, this is Danny Dong, the founder and CEO of LifeSmart. Welcome to LifeSmart special event 2022. Let's go.
There's no one here but you and I. This neon town is yours and mine. And I said, hey, Carissa. Stayed up through the days and night. Lay and we watched the world get light. Hey, Carissa. Sunlight, freedom in your eyes. Please don't leave now. Hey, Carissa. Stayed up through the days and night. Lay and we watched the world get light. Hey, Carissa. Sunlight, freedom in your eyes. Please don't leave now.
Welcome to join LifeSmart special event 2022. 3 months ago, we just released the all-new NatureOS 2.0, a complete light switch lineup which covers over 10 models with multiple material and specs, and the lead smart lighting solutions. Just within 3 months, the NatureOS 2.0 upgrade rate has been reached to 93%, which is incredible. Customers from worldwide loves our NatureOS 2.0 for its all-new GUI style, multicolor design, and 800% interactive efficiency improvements. Our new Mental light switch with MacBook Pro-alike material and finishes, and the new AG glass light switch with iPhone 13 Pro back-alike material won the market recognition. Over 100,000 units has been delivered just within 3 months. Our smart lighting solution has won a Lighting Industry Golden Award as well. I'm more than happy to share with you guys all this exciting news. The industry is booming, but it also encounters some problem. The smart home belongs to the type of industry that is extremely hot within the industry and relatively unknown outside the industry. Most of the time, the smart home is associated with buying or renovating a house. This is a low frequency and a high spending business. The entire industry has made a lot of efforts to make a fly, but the products are most likely optimized type of stuff. In LifeSmart, we want to make something special. Something we call it revolution rather than evolution. We want more people to have the opportunity to experience the digital lifestyle. We want to develop the very first smart product for everyone. You don't really need to buy a house or renovate your apartments to get the product. The product should be plug and play. You don't want to have professionals to help you to make the installation to get started. It's just on your own. The product should fully utilize the existing smart home ecosystem, which will allow our users to use one product to leverage the whole industry efforts. In LifeSmart, we are not just working on smart home, we're thinking of all your digital life possibilities. It might be in your home, or in your office, or on the go. We want you to be connected when there is a need. In LifeSmart, we care so much about the product design. We care about the product which is around you. It has to be beautiful and elegant. We often talk about these things within our team. It has to reach that level of beauty. At that level, you will buy one even if it has no function at all. We got lots of inspirations from history when we start to design NatureX. Many products came to this world 20 or 30 years ago. It's still a beautiful existence in today's environment. We want NatureX share that spirit and nature. I would like to play a video to share with you guys how the new species, the NatureX, looks like. Today, we introduce NatureX. Now the NatureX is on my hand. It's heavy given its volume, feels quality with its metal base, which makes the product very stable when you put it anywhere on your table. It has a stunning 1.39-inch OLED display by 454 pixel resolution, empowered by an RK3122 CPU, which gives the product more than enough computing power to run any applications you might want. In the center of the up front, you see this large ring, which is the part you use most of this product. Great product comes from details. This small part looks simple, used simply. However, it has been built on nearly 10 components to perform a very delightful rotating and press feel. You may feel it's quite familiar with the vertical part of this ring. Yes, you're right. We got inspiration from the Rolex winding crown. It's a mix of modern design and history-proven craftsmanship. Let's talk about the 4 physical buttons in the front. We would like to emphasize it has a typewriter-like typing experience. This experience we call flip technology. We implement thousands of keystrokes and hand-feeling tuning to ensure that it has a very delightful hand feeling. The button can be pressed up to 50 million times within a life cycle. We'll be surrounded by many touch screens, the phone, the pad, the watch, and so on. In real life, in many scenarios, the touch screen is not fitting our needs. For example, when you lay on your bed, you raise your hand to adjust the brightness of your room light. Touch screen costs you too much effort to make it as what you want. The ring and the button combination gives you way better interactive experience. This kind of interaction is quite similar with the car information system. We got lots of inspiration from them, like a BMW iDrive, Audi MMI, and many others. NatureX has great feel and very easy to do blind operations. Let's take a look what exactly the product can do for you. Let's watch a video first.
Hi, this is NatureX, your desktop smartwatch. It's time to get up. I just opened the curtains for you. I will be everywhere in your home. This is today's agenda. Buy some flowers when you come back. Air quality in your room is in the perfect shape. Let's enjoy breakfast. Turn on your car aircon. Ready to go. I'll take care of your home when you are away. Welcome back. Wow, you bring flowers back. Lights up in your style. Curtains are opened in your position. Take a nap. Check the weight. Cool. Lose a little bit. It's reading time. It's working time. It's surfing time. It's yoga time. It's movie time. I'm everywhere in your home. Let's have some music before I go to bed. Good night. This is NatureX, your desktop smartwatch.
Let's talk about functionalities. We start with smart home. First of all, it's a super smart home gateway with industry-leading connectivity support. We use Wi-Fi as uplink and support our own protocol codes, Zigbee 3.0 as downlink. Obviously, it works with all LifeSmart product family. You can use NatureX to connect and control all LifeSmart products. You can adjust light brightness, color temperature. You can open and close curtains at any location you want. You could adjust your room temperature in the most elegant way by rotating the ring. It's the most powerful air quality monitor ever. People care about air quality more than you can imagine. NatureX redefined the air quality monitor with a higher standard. We support PM 2.5, PM 10, temperature, humidity, even more. We support real-time CO2. You can see all this data just on a beautiful OLED screen at any time you want. Monitoring is not our purpose. We want to help you to build a better environment with better air quality. With that consideration, NatureX can work with a wide range of fresh fans, air purifiers, air conditioners, humidifiers, and many others. NatureX will control these devices to reach your air quality standard, which is set up by you and for you. Let's talk about the 4 physical buttons and the 1 ring. It's software-defined buttons. It can be customized and set specific lighting, curtain control, air conditioner, and predefined things. To ensure interactive efficiency, we bring the well-received button reminder feature of NatureOS 2.0 to the NatureX. The ring is simple. All you need to do is to rotate to meet your needs. However, the simple rotate comes with great technology. We call it active tech. For example, you rotate the ring slowly to adjust brightness with 1% per grade and quickly with 5% per grade. It has been empowered by self-learning capability, which achieve a better human-machine interactive experience. It's something like a BMW's active steering. You don't need to rotate 2.5 circles to make a U-turn. What you need to do is to rotate fast to make a U-turn. Beyond the LifeSmart products, NatureX can do so much more for you. With multiple open standard support, you could use your NatureX to do so many things. You could control your Philips Hue with NatureX. You could control your IKEA smart home devices with NatureX. You can even control your Xiaomi smart home devices with NatureX. There are much more to come to work with NatureX. We define NatureX as your first smart device. It's much more than smart home. The NatureX will be your control center. Even more, it will be your home entertainment center. When we talk about home entertainment, we think about music first. The NatureX will be the best companion for Sonos. You could choose the music, adjust volume, switch the playback mode with your NatureX. Modern music, you could use your NatureX to control podcast, radio station, and even for karaoke. NatureX can work with your Tesla EV. You could use NatureX to get access to your Tesla at your home or office. You could get the mileage information, open or close the window, turn on the aircon before you leave. People is wondering why we need NatureX to work with Tesla. We have phones to get all these jobs done. However, people usually don't want to take out the phone, open the app to perform the operation. With NatureX, you just need one simple click to turn on the aircon before you leave home. It's awesome. As a Tesla owner, I can tell you, before NatureX, I set up leaving time in the Tesla app. It will automatically warm up or cool down the car with a schedule. However, I'm leaving home at different times. Then I turned off the scheduling, and I don't use the phone to control the car. Then the function actually becomes useless. Mileage management is another thing to be mentioned. Some people don't care too much about the mileage. However, it's critical to know the information and make it charged. NatureX is on your desk to remind you as a glance. It will save your trunking face sometimes. We care our body more than any time before. NatureX can work with the scales to show your body data like weight, BMI, muscle mass, etc. For nearsighted users, they don't wear a glass in the morning, so they can't see or display the information in the scale. NatureX play a very important role here to help nearsighted people to see this information in a short distance. One thing more, NatureX can be a reminder as well. It reminds you to measure your body data and encourage you to make the move. We always want to get connected with people or things which matters us most. With Android built-in, NatureX allows you to install apps you use most, such as Calendar, WeChat, WhatsApp, and even Lark. Notifications with the selected app will be pushed to your NatureX right on your desk. You won't miss any important message if you don't have your phone around when you are at home. We have 2 little bonuses today as well. 1, you can use NatureX to find your phone within the Bluetooth range. 2, there are some fun games for you to release the stress. This is the NatureX we just introduced today. It's the very first smart device for everyone. We have iconic crown-type ring with 4 physical buttons, 1.39 OLED display with 454 by 454 pixel resolution. Flipper technology powered button press feel. It's heavy and metallic. You could put it at any desk or table around you. It just looks and feels like a piece of art. We hope the Nature X will stand the test of time. The interaction of Nature X is very simple. It's quite similar with Audi, BMW, and Porsche car information system. Nature X keeps the well-received button reminder feature and powered by active tech. You have the best human-machine interactive experience like never before. It's a super smart home gateway. It's the most powerful air quality monitor ever. It controls the LifeSmart products. More than that, it works with Philips, IKEA, and Xiaomi devices, and much more to come. It's your home entertainment center. It reinvents the way when you play your music at home. It supports Sonos, Skills, Tesla, app notifications, and even games for fun. Think different is not that hard sometimes. The hardest thing is to be bold enough to make a very different idea into a reality. LifeSmart is one of the few companies to be bold enough to make our belief into reality. If you are one of the 10 million Sonos users, go get a Nature X. If you are one of the 3 million Tesla owners, go get a Nature X. If you are the smart home users with whatever the brand, go get a Nature X. If you don't own any smart home devices, go get a Nature X. It will be the start of your digital life. I'm more than happy to introduce the Nature X today. We have 2 models with a very competitive price. Order today, you will receive the product by the end of October. Thank you very much.